y'all, it's Maniya Alise here, and I am back with another video. I hope all is well. I hope y'all are happy. I hope y'all are thriving. I hope everything is exactly how you want it to be. And I miss y'all. I love y'all. Period. If you are new to my channel, hello, hi girl, how are you? You are here, a divine presence, okay? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. You're here for a reason. Go ahead and join the fam. So today, y'all, we're going to talk about protective styling. I'm giving y'all 4 quick tips on why you should be protective styling if you don't already. And if you are protective styling, why you're doing the right thing, why you're already on the right track, sis. I know some people... Protective styling has grown. Some people used to be totally against it, but now that they see the benefits of it, they're really enthusiastic about it. They're excited to try stuff, but it's still some people out there that are apprehensive and that are just not with the times and don't feel comfortable, and that's totally okay. I'm here to tell you why it is okay to protective style, why you should be protective styling, and how it is a help and not a hindrance. So boom, let's get right into the video. Okay, y'all. Reason number 1 why you should be protective styling is because it gives your hair a rest. Our hair needs rest. Our scalp needs rest just like the rest of our body. In order for it to flourish, replenish, to be the best hair and scalp that it can be to us, we have to let it rest. It gets tired just like we do. So protective styling offers that rest. It offers that aid in reassuring that your scalp and your hair and your total crown is healthy and is ready to perform how it is supposed to perform for you. Reason number 2. Protective styling stimulates more growth. Now, granted, your hair is growing all day, every day, but as we put our hair up in protective styling and not get up every morning and brush it, comb it, picking our hands through it, it allows the hair to be free and to really grow without being tampered with. And that's what we want. We want uninterrupted growth, especially if you're in a position where you're trying to grow your hair back out, or you're trying to really see how long your hair can get. Just let it rest, let it do what it do. Keep your hands out of it, which is awesome because protective styling helps us keep our hands out of our hair. So number 3, protective styling offers protection, not just from us keeping our hands in it or whatever, but also from conditions. So y'all know how you get real hot outside and your scalp get irritated, get to burning sometimes. If you're real sensitive like me, the sun can really irritate you, especially hot. I'm from Georgia, so it can get really hot and get really irritating. So protective styling offers that barrier between the world and our true self. We have to protect ourselves. We have to protect our crowns, and that's just what it boils down to. And sometimes conditions are not, I'm not gonna say bearable, but they could be better. It's just a bridge, girl. It's a bridge that you want to cross. It's fine. It's sturdy. It's there for you, girl. And also, just how we know in the cold months, our hair becomes very dry, our skin becomes very dry, and to protect us from that, we got protective styling. Okay, protective styling is our friend, not our enemy, y'all. That's just what it boils down to. It is here for us. It is not happening to us. It is happening for us, period. So indulge. And the last reason number 4 why you should be protective styling is because it is so vital to see yourself in different looks, different colors, different cuts, different wave patterns, everything. I feel like, have y'all ever seen women, young or old, that go get their hair done in the same style? Like, girl, you are black, you are beautiful, you are versatile, you can rock any style you want. And that's what I'm here to promote. Like, we can be our true selves. We can be our true selves. If you want curly hair, get curly hair. If you want straight hair, get straight hair. Protective styling offers us the versatility that we shouldn't be afraid to play with. We're black women, okay? Our features are eccentric, okay? They're next in line after God. God created us. So it's just like we are divine. We can do anything we want to do. And rock whatever style you want to rock. My thing is, how will you ever know what you like? How will you ever know what you don't like if you don't try it? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you guys. I hope you learned something. If not learned something, I hope you got reassured about some things. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram at Maniya Alise Beauty for more beauty content, for more real life content, all of that. Also follow me on TikTok at Maniya Alise. We'll be back to y'all soon. I love y'all so much. Thank you for everybody who is still rocking with me on this journey. Peace and blessings. I will see y'all soon. Love you.